Hello classes like Schuler. Today we are going to learn Lektion 3, Erich und Erika. Okay, so Erich and Erika. So he is Erich and she is Erika. So let's see what they are telling. So students, I am gonna read this text for you. The translation you will find in the description box of this video. Ich bin Erika. Ich bin ein Mädchen. Das ist Erich. Er ist ein Junge. Er ist ein Freund. Wir sind Freunde. Erich wohnt in Bonn. Er kommt aus Deutschland. Er lernt Englisch und Französisch. Er spielt Tennis. Erika says, Kinder, woher seid ihr? Ein Kind, wir sind aus Indien. Wir lernen Deutsch. Wir spielen Cricket und Radha spielt Gitarre. So this was the text, students. Now here they are introducing us the personal pronoun. The personal pronoun same we have learned in English, we are also having that in German. Ich means I, singular. Du is you, singular, friendly. Like in Marathi, we say tu, okay, or in Hindi we say tum. Then er means he, s is it, she is ze. Ihr means you all, friendly, okay. Then wir is we, small z is they, capital Z is singular and plural form is same, that is you, okay. In Marathi we say this, tumhi, okay, or in Hindi we say aap. So for the plural tumhi sagre in Marathi or aap sab in Hindi, we use the capital Z only. So students, make the chart of this personal pronoun, stick in front of your study table and by heart this. Same, you have to make a chart of sein verb conjugation. Sein means to be. In English we have learned I am, you are. Same we are gonna learn in German now. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Er ist, he is. Es ist, it is. Sie ist, she is. Ihr seid, you all are. Wir sind, we are. Small z sind, they are. Capital Z sind, you are. Okay, student. So make a chart of this and learn this verb conjugation. Now, here they are explaining the definite, indefinite articles also. But before that, let's learn how to use the sein verb conjugation, which we have learned. So this is your exercise 3. Ergänzen Sie das Verb sein. Fill up the correct form of the verb sein. Now see, ich und du sind Freunde. Ich und du, that is a plural. I and you are friends. So plural hai. So for plural, we will use small z, that is they ka conjugation. And if you will see here, the conjugation of small z sind is sind. Z sind, matlab they are. Okay. Now see the next one. Woher bist du? Your subject is here du. So that's why we have written bist. Third one, ich bin Schülerin. I am a female student. As it is a ich, conjugation of sein with ich is bin. Fourth one is Erich ist intelligent. Now student, Erich is a name of a boy. So for boy means we will use er, means he. So conjugation of sein with er is ist. Next, same as the first example, A und B sind Lehrer. A and B are the teacher. Okay. Now A and B plural hai, so we have used sind. Next, Kinder, comma, wo seid ihr? Now you are directly speaking with Kinder, that is shown by the comma given after Kinder. Okay. So Kinder, and the personal pronoun is ihr. You are directly speaking with children. Your relationship is informal, that is a friendly. Okay, and children are plural. So that's why we are using Zeit, ihr. Now see the seventh one. Herr Müller is Lehrer. Mr. Müller is teacher. Now here Mr. Müller hai, but we are not directly speaking with Mr. Müller because there is no comma after Mr. Müller. So he is a third person. Means he is a male. So he is a er. So with er the conjugation of sein is ist. Eighth one. Das Haus is neu. The house is new. Das Haus hai. The gender is neutral. So we are using the personal pronoun s. Der Kuli. So student, there is a masculine. So their coolie is nicht here. The pen is not here. So there hai, male hai. So we will use er. Number 10. Herr Müller was in Z. Now see this capital Z hai. So we will use sind. And after this there is a comma. Means we are directly speaking with Mr. Müller. Okay. Now you will ask me what is this der, die, das. So that also they have explained in this lesson. See. Yes. Here they are explaining. So definite and indefinite article. First we will learn the definite article, student. That is called as bestimmter article. Okay. So in English we use this as a the. Okay. But if you know Marathi language, in Marathi we use this as a to, ti, te. Okay. For example, to darwaza, ti khidki, te zhad. Okay. In Marathi it is different, but in English it is same the. But German is this grammar is same as Marathi. So let's see what is this. There comes before a masculine singular noun which may be a thing or a person. Der coolie, der man, the pen and the man. Now see, though it is same as a Marathi, all the nouns have no same gender as Marathi. Okay, the pen. So it is in Marathi if we will say to pen, but in original Marathi we say te pen. So do not compare it with Marathi's noun. Okay, it is not at all or always it is not same as a Marathi's gender. Okay, so you have to by heart this as it is in German. It is der coolie means it's a male and der man is a the man. Okay, or in Marathi also we say to manus. Right? So only the man is same but the pen is not same. So just by heart as it is with the noun and article in German. Second rule is das comes before a neutral singular noun which may be a thing or a person. So this we have learned in Marathi. There means so this we have learned the first one. There means to. Now we are going to learn this second one. Das means in Marathi te. So das book. Okay, in Marathi we also say te pustak and das kind, the child. Okay, in Marathi we say te baal. Okay, so this is same as Marathi, but make sure or just remember it is not always like that. The third one, di. In Marathi it means ti. Di comes before a feminine singular noun which may be a thing or a person. The Uher and the Frau. Now Uher is a watch. So in German it is die Ghadal. In Marathi it is te Ghadal. The Frau, lady. Okay. So in Marathi we say ti Stri. Okay. So this is only same but the Uher is not same as Marathi. It is the Uher. Now you will say or you will ask me that how to identify them or how to remember. There are more than 1000 nouns in German. So the simple way is, the first way you can make a sticky notes. In the market you will get the sticky notes. So you are having pen at home, clock at home. So make a sticky note, okay, and on the clock just make that sticky note and write down there the uher, okay, and stick that beside your clock or on your clock, okay, and while or when you are at your home, just read that always. And once all those sticky notes are in front of you, you will come learn all the nouns in German with the article. So when I was learning German, I have followed the same method. So, and when you will go in next standard, you will increase your vocabulary and you will by heart all the nouns with their definite articles. Now, the fourth rule is no article is used before proper nouns of a person. Das ist Erich. Now, Erich is a boy, but we won't say das ist der Erich. Okay? So, these were the 4 rules. So, we will learn one by one, student. So, yes, here they have given some internationale Wörter, that is international words. What is international words? Which we use common everywhere. For example, the word kindergarten. It is actually the German word, but everywhere we use the kindergarten word. Okay. So here they have given the words with their article. Now, as you know, there means it's a masculine. So masculine के लिए we use the personal pronoun there and the article there and the personal pronoun er. Er means he. Okay, and in Marathi there means to. So once you remember this combination, masculine means there and there के लिए we use he. You can write any verb conjugation easily. Now, these words, the meaning you will find in the description box. I'm just gonna read out the words for you for the pronunciation. Der Pilot, der Kaffee, der Tourist, der Film, der Freund, der Coolie, der Caravan, der Ball, der Hamburger, der Schuh, der Wagen, der Lehrer, der Stuhl, der Sohn, der Bruder, der Wein, der Junge, der Mann. Now, let me read out the next word. See. Next word is sie, which is feminine, and for feminine we use the article die. Okay. So in Marathi it means ती. Die Uher, die Cola, die Gitarre, die Kassette, die Mutter, die Tochter, die Schwester, die Maus, die Dame, die Schule. Die Hand, die Wohnung, die Freundin, die Frau, die Lehrerin. Now, let's read the neutral noun. Neutral, we use the article das. In Marathi, it means te, and it is personal pronoun is s, means it. Let's read. Das Haus, das Foto, das Telefon, das Licht, das Wasser, das Brot, das Kind, das Buch, das Bier, das Mädchen, das Auto, das Heft. Okay, so students, description box you can see for the meanings. Now this was the definite articles. Let's solve some examples related to that. First one, write the definite articles. Okay, so der Lehrer, die Frau, das Kind, die Uher, die Freundin, der Mann, das Heft, der Fußball, die Wohnung, der Kuli. So then from these 3 tables you can find out the definite articles. Now let's solve the 4th question. It is a mixture of personal pronoun, okay, which we have learned. So see, er und ich, they are both plural hai. So for that we use the personal pronoun small z, means they. Again, erich und ich, प्लूरल है, 2 पर्सन है, so we will use the personal pronoun sie. Der Wagen, just now we have learned, there is masculine, so we will use the personal pronoun er. Herr Müller, Mr. Müller, er है masculine. Ram, boy name, masculine, er. Frau Braun, and after Frau Braun you can see they have given a comma, means you are directly speaking with Mrs. Brown, so you will use the personal pronoun capital Z, formal U. After kinder also you can see they have given a comma, you are directly speaking with children, okay, they are plural and relationship is friendly or informal, so we will use ihr. Numadra, Sita, comma is given after Sita. You are directly speaking with Sita. Okay, Sita and the relationship is friendly. She is a singular. So we have to use do. Now die Schule, feminine hai, die Schule. So we will use small z, she wala z. Last one, das Mädchen means girl. So though Mädchen is a female, the nouns in German which ends with chen, you can see. Okay, so that always takes the article das, so we will use the personal pronoun as s. Okay students, so I hope the personal pronoun and the definite articles are clear to you. In the workbook you will solve some more examples, so it will be more clear to you. Now after learning the bestimmten article or the definite article, let's learn the unbestimmten article, that is indefinite article, a or an. If you are talking about a general thing, for example a tree, okay, a car, that time we use a. But if you are talking about the coconut tree, the mango tree, the Volkswagen car, that time we use the, that is bestimmten article. Now let's learn unbestimmten article. In English we have a or an. Now in German what we have, let's learn. In German there are 2 forms of indefinite articles. Okay, now which are those 2 forms? Ein is used before a masculine singular noun. For example, ein Freund. MS they have written, that is a masculine. A neutral singular form. Ein Kind, that is they have written neutral, NS. Okay, a child. So if it is a male or a neutral, we use ein. Eine is used before a feminine singular noun. Eine Lehrerin, feminine hai. So for a feminine we always use eine. Now let's learn this in more detail. Now we have learned all these nouns, students, which were male. So if it is a masculine, we use the article there. Same, we use the one more indefinite article ein, and we use the personal pronoun er. Once you have learned this combination, everything will be very easy. Okay, so all these nouns which you have written with there, so you can use the indefinite article as ein for them. Next, let's learn for Z first. S first. S is a neutral. Neutral means we use the article das. Definite article and indefinite article we use ein, and the personal pronoun we use s. So just remember or by heart this combination. Okay, so here das photo, ein house, everywhere we can use ein as it is originally das. Now let's learn the last combination. If it is a Z, that means it's a feminine. Feminine, for that we use the article die. Definite and indefinite article we use eine. And personal pronoun z, small z, she wala z. So remember this third combination. Okay, so all this die, her, eine, guitar. So here everywhere all these nouns will take indefinite article as a eine. Okay students, so learn these 3 combinations and then solve this Übung 2. Write the indefinite article. So guitar, eine. Beer, eine, because it is das Bier. Der Tourist, ein. Die Lehrerin, eine. Der Sohn. So here I am reading der Sohn. So as I know all the definite articles, I can easily tell you the indefinite article. For this, by heart the tables. Which tables? The noun with the article. There the das. Fifth one, eine Hand, die eine Kassette, ein Auto, ein Buch and ein Stuhl. Okay, so students, with this we have finished all the exercises from this lesson. So by heart this table which I have told you. Okay, which is on page number 22. So with this student we have finished our lesson. We will meet directly on in our next video. Till then, choose.